Is your hotel revenue budget giving you nightmares? Room revenue is the most important source of hotel revenue. Did you know that it delivers the major chunk of the hotel revenue? However, many hotel managers don't know how to budget for revenue. So you may have a question now. Why me? How am I qualified to make this video? I spent 26 years in the hotel industry and I have gone through multiple budget exercises, and I would like to share the lessons learned. More importantly, the steps you can take to avoid mistakes I saw happening all those years back. This teaser video is about showing you a glimpse of how to set up your budget Excel sheets for hotel room revenue. Let's see how the steps process works. Step 1 is setting up the major sheets of the budget workbook. And these include the actuals this year, the budget this year, and the actuals last year. In step 2, we understand the interaction between these three sheets, how actuals of this year interact with the budget of this year, and also with the actuals of last year. Step 3 is the actual budget, which will produce the room revenue. And that is contributed to by occupancy and average rate, the two major contributories to hotel room revenue. When you combine these two elements, you can produce another powerful KPI or key performance indicator, revenue per available room, or commonly known as RevPAR. And finally, the building blocks of hotel room revenue, market segments. Step 4 is when you bring together these three sheets to produce the first of the summaries in what can be called a rooms department statement. This is also the first time you will get to see variances. Variances are powerful analytical tools. The variances will show you how actuals of this year compare with the budget for this year, as well as the actuals for last year. The variance analysis is a powerful element of hotel financial performance analysis. And finally, in step 5, the rooms department statement is incorporated into the hotel income statement. Of course, the hotel income statement has, apart from rooms department, food and beverage department, and other departments. But this is the 5-step process by which you can set up your Excel sheets. And this video will show you how this 5-step process can take your budgeting exercise to the highest levels possible so that you can consistently achieve the targets that you set yourself. Let's now take a look at what one of the sheets looks like. This is the Excel sheet for actuals of this year. As you can see, the individual months are laid out here. It reflects the seasonality of the hotel industry, which is what is stated in that row above being highlighted. We will see in detail how this seasonality on a monthly basis can be leveraged to produce powerful budget targets and then go ahead and achieve them. And then finally, of course, the building blocks of room revenue, which is market segment. Do you want to learn the 8 key steps even before beginning to budget? Click the video above on hotel budgeting and forecasting, the ultimate guide.